Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix your Maytag Bravos XL washer. Just a few years old, but these end up having a very common issue where they just don't turn on. They fail to communicate, they won't start. You go to push the start button, nothing happens. Or you get a specific error code. There's two that can pop up, an F6E2 or an F6E3. With both of those essentially mean the same thing. There's a communication error from your board to the washer. And so these tools here laid out are pretty much what you're going to need to get fixed up. This right here to take the back panel off. I'm going to use my drill. It's a little faster, but essentially I've got a 1/4 bit in there. It's the same thing as just not having a bit in there. So if you have a drill with one of these but you don't have the bit, you can just use the empty socket there. Same thing on my little stubby guy here. You can